So as I've mentioned in previous videos before, being a realtor and a real estate agent is not the same thing. Being a realtor is more of a designation, is being a part of an association which abides by a code of ethics. And most real estate agents who sell single family homes are going to be realtors, because through the Realtor Association, we are provided with the MLS, which we use to list homes and search for homes for our buyers. Now, another thing that the Realtor Association provides with us is our standard offer to purchase, which is provided to them by the North Carolina Bar Association. So a lot of people, when it comes to getting inspections done, they have this idea that, the home has to pass an inspection or that there's some type of required repairs. In reality, the contract was written that all homes are being sold as is. Now, here in North Carolina, it's accustomed to ask for some repairs or some credit similar repairs within reason, although it's not an obligation. So when using our contract in making an offer, we give what's called a due diligence fee. So this is something that's non-refundable, but you going through with the purchase is simply just going to be credited to you on the day of closing. And the reason you're giving this money is so that you can do your inspections, your appraisals, surveys, any title work. And in this period, if you're going to ask for any repairs or credit repairs, this is when you would do it. Because by giving this due diligence fee, it gives you the right to back out for any reason or no reason at all. And so when we're negotiating contracts, you need to go in with the mindset, they might not give a credit for these repairs. They might not want to make any repairs at all because technically the home is being sold as is. So whenever you're with your real estate agent and walk into the home, you want to start making notes of things that might come on the inspection report. If you can tell the roof is old, or if you can see maybe like there's a hole in the wall, some issues that you can find ahead of time, and also by looking through the property disclosure. And then you want to talk with the other agent and see if there's any plans for these repairs. And another thing too, if you're going to negotiate the contract and you're going to come in 10%, 20% below list price, I don't think it would be reasonable to think that someone would want to do repairs after giving such a huge discount up front. Now, these are things that you definitely want to think about when negotiating the contract.